Hey Sean, what's going on in the real estate market right now? This is probably the most important question I'm getting every day. In this video, we're diving into the July 2025 market update based on the numbers that are happening in real time. If you're thinking about buying or selling or just watching the trends because you're bored, this is the video for you. So the big picture, sales are down. I said it, sales are down. Inventory is creeping. Prices are still creeping up just slightly though. So here is the breakdown. In detached homes, we got a median price of 1.1 million, up just 0.9% year over year. Closed sales are down almost 7% year over year. Now inventory has crept up 25.5% up from last year, with days on market at 30 days, up just about 11%, and I expect to see that climb. Months of supply, we're looking at 2.9, up from 2.4 last year. My feelings are that 3 months are kind of where we start to see the market crack and teeter. Attached homes and condos, we have a median price of $690,000, also up just 1%, with closed sales down over 14%. We saw inventory jump actually 50% because a lot of people are moving out of those condos to now go buy homes that are better priced than they were last year. The days on market has crept up to 37 days, which is almost 40% longer than last year, with months of supply at 3.7, which is up 48% from last year. Buyers clearly have more options and I would say the upper hand in the condo market, but they're also taking their sweet time. And this is going to be very important for later. So what's selling and what's sitting? Because this is very important if you own a home today. Detached homes around $1 million, $1.3 million mark are still moving like hotcakes, especially in the prime areas like North County Coastal and well-updated homes that are priced right. So here's what's sitting. Overpriced flips. I'm finding that a lot of investors went and bought homes in the spring and earlier part of the year, and those are finished and finally coming to the market, and the numbers that they used for those homes were a lot higher in the beginning part of the year, and now they're having to be a lot more conservative. Condos in high density areas like downtown. I'm finding downtown has a lot of inventory available, and I'm finding a lot of sellers are very negotiable in the downtown area specifically. You won't see that in the rest of San Diego. Fixers that aren't priced aggressively, I'm finding are sitting, and I'm finding investors starting to get a little bit worried. Now, sellers are receiving about 98.7% of list price for detached homes and 97.9% for attached homes, which is down from over 100% last year. So those bidding wars, not so common anymore. However, if it's good product in prime location, I am still today in July seeing multiple offers on prime product. Now, affordability and activity. This is where things get interesting. Now, affordability is still really tight. The housing affordability index stayed at flat at just at 25 for detached homes, meaning only a small segment of buyers can actually afford to buy the median price home here in San Diego. Meanwhile, new listings stayed fairly steady, down 2.4% for detached homes, but up 4.6% for condos. And while pending sales are seeing a downward trend, we are seeing more price adjustments and more homes just kind of lingering, even decent product, giving buyers a little bit more breathing room that they didn't have last year to ask for buy downs or credits, which you probably wouldn't have even discussed last year. So hey Sean, what does this all mean you just told me? So if you're a seller, you'll probably need to be much more strategic. You have to price right, you have to prep well, and don't expect multiple offers overnight. We're seeing a few weeks of lag before we really start to see the interest of the buyer. If you're a buyer, you finally have more leverage, more homes to choose from, time to decide, but also don't expect massive price drops in high demand neighborhoods. Stuff is still moving. And if you're an investor, condos are softer, but the rental demand is still very strong, especially near universities and big job hubs. So San Diego's housing market is rebalancing slowly. If you're wondering what this means for your situation, whether you're buying or selling or investing, let's connect. If you want more specific info for the neighborhood you're looking for, send me a message and I can help dive way deeper into the numbers and see what it means for you.